Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is everything I picked up at CVS. Now this took me 2 trips. I went on the 17th and I went today at the 21st. So today I just decided I'm going to use all of my extra bucks. But I do have $20 in cash card because I did the cash card deal on each of my cards. So when I get started up again, I'll have $20 to roll into CVS. Now I did receive my $10 in Care Pass today, so I did use that as well. And I had a total of $200 to use in extra bucks today. So I forgot how much I had on each card, but altogether it was $200. Now before I wasted all of my extra bucks, I decided to do a haul first, getting more extra bucks. So basically rolling my extra bucks to get more extra bucks back because I wanted to hit beauty. And with the transaction that I did, I actually hit beauty 3 times. So I received a $9 beauty buck from the deal I did on March 17th. So I had $9 extra in beauty buck to put in everything I wanted to buy. So I just bought the essential things that I needed. As far as food, we went food shopping about 3 times already. So we're stocked up on food for a couple of months because we honestly don't know what's gonna go down. So I basically concentrated on some supplements, on some vitamins, on some cleaning products, on some toilet paper, and a couple of other things like trash bags when I went to CVS to use up all my extra bucks. Now, that was hard because as a couponer, and I've been couponing for 4 years, I've never done that. I've never dumped out my card. So the cashiers were like, "Are you sure? Oh my God, is everything okay?" And I'm like, "Yes, let's just get rid of them. Let's do this." And they were like scanning it and just looking at me, and I'm like, it's okay. This will pass, and we'll be back at CVS just before you know it. So at least I have $20 to jumpstart. So try to do that cash card deal before you waste your extra bucks. So I'm gonna go over everything I did. It's 4 different transactions. Also, they are limits at the store, and I'm gonna go everything basically over here is a limit of 1. So I'm gonna go over that soon in the haul. So okay, so the first transaction I did is going to be on the Tresemme. So we all know this week Tresemme is 2 for $10. We have Irish Spring, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. We have the razors, buy 3, get 5. We have the Colgate Total Mouthwash, buy 1, get a $1 extra buck. The Speed Stick, I forgot what it is. I think it's, sorry guys, my mind is all over the place. So Speed Stick is actually buy 1, get a $1.50 extra buck, and you can do this deal, I believe, up to 3 times. So I picked up 2 of them right there. Of course, the loofah deal, because I had it on that card as well. So I did the loofah deal 2 times this week. And the Yes products, they're spend 12, get a $5 extra buck, and I had a 5 off of 2 coupon for that, a CRT. The toothbrushes are buy 2, get 3, I believe. Yes, buy 2, get 3. Let me just double check. Toothbrushes, buy 2, get 3. My mind is all over the place, so just bear with me, guys. Toothbrushes, Oral-B toothbrushes are buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and I did the deal twice because I had a 3 off of 12 toothpaste CRT. I got the makeup products, so for some reason, the buy 2, get 7 for the Maybelline. This is not included in the deal, but she did print out the $7 in extra bucks because she didn't know why it didn't pick up the blush. So I picked up the blush and the lip gloss. We all know Paparazzi this week, buy 2, get 4. And then we have the L'Oreal products, buy 2, get 6, I believe, this week. So before I used up all my extra bucks, I made sure I did a couple of deals so I can hit beauty and get a couple of more items before I just dump my extra bucks. So I have no more extra bucks left. I'm going to show you guys my receipts. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Tell you guys what's limited at the store. Like they have 1 per family limit. So let's jump right into this. So for the first transaction, I'm going to show you guys my receipt really quickly. So there goes the Tresemme. 2 for $10. Lady Speed Stick, $2.99 on sale. The Men's Speed Stick, $2.99 on sale. We have the Colgate Total, $3.99 on sale. Irish Spring, $3.99 on sale. When you buy 3, you get 5. The Skin to Mint razors are going to be $6.99. When you buy 3, you get 5. Maybelline is buy 2, get $7 in extra bucks. Paparazzi is buy 2, get $4 in extra bucks. and they were 2 for $5 here. So you saw in my last haul, they didn't ring up 2 for $5. The Yes 2 products, I picked up one of them at $3.59. 2 of them were $4.39. Maybelline blush was $5.99. And there goes the L'Oreal eyeshadows for $6.59. These are all the coupons I used here. There goes a digital coupon for the shit, because remember, those coupons are a limit of 2. So make sure you refer back to my other videos, but these deals are going to be done by now. As far as next week, I'm really not concentrating on next week. This is basically going to be my last haul until further notice. So I'm sure a lot of us are not leaving the house. So as far as next week, I'm just done with next week. So here goes all the CRTs that I used right here. And then these are the extra bucks I used here. My total was 0. I had a tax of $4.92, and I used up all those extra bucks because I did this deal on the 17th. Now for the second transaction, I picked up the toothbrushes as well as the Beauty 360 loofahs. So there goes the toothbrushes right there on sale for $2.99. I picked up 4 of them, and when you buy 2, you get 3, and that deal is a limit of 2. There goes the Beauty 360 loofahs for $1.09. There goes the CRTs I had. So I had that 3 off of 2 coupon for Crest and Oral-B toothbrushes, a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, the $2 off the Beauty 360 poofs, the $1 off 2 Beauty 360 poofs. I rolled $7 in extra bucks for this, and my total was 23 cents. I rolled $6 in extra bucks. My total was 23 cents, and I got back a $6 extra buck for that. And I did this on the 17th as well. So I received $9 in beauty bucks for everything I did. And basically, that's when I'm going to get into everything I bought here. So I did 2 separate transactions because I had, I believe, 100 on each card, if I'm not mistaken. And right here, this is going to be the cash card deal that I did for one of my cards. And as you guys saw in my Sunday video, I did the cash card deal for another card. So this is what I picked up. I had a couple of coupons for it, not much, but I decided to do this deal so I can get that $10 in cash card. Because remember, guys, the cash card does not expire. So for my next transaction, and we did come out of pocket for everything here. It was like $3 worth of merchandise, probably more, because some stuff was buy one, get one free. We came out of pocket about, I want to say, like $50-something, which is fine because everything was worth $300 and up. So I was super excited that I got to get some toilet paper. Even though I was stocked up, I was able to get some Lysol. I was able to get 1 bottle of alcohol. So just check your stores. They are stocking up today and tomorrow, I believe. So everything that has a limit of 1. So the gloves had a limit of 1, and these were super, super expensive, but we just bought them because we had a whole bunch of extra bucks to use. Vitamin C is a limit of 1, so anything with vitamin C is a limit of 1 per family. So as far as the toilet paper, they had this kind. So you can pick up this one, is a limit of 1. They had the 1 roll, limit of 1. This is the paper towels here, the 1 single roll of paper towels, that's a limit of 1. And then this is the double pack, a limit of 1. The Lysol spray were buy one, get one 50% off. And these are a limit of 1 as well. So my store was honoring the 50% off price because I picked up only 1 of them, because you can only pick up 1. And then this right here, the alcohol is a limit of 1. This I'm not too sure is a limit of 1. She was saying protein stuff, but I did pick up 2 more of the protein items. This is super, super good. It's super expensive, but this counts as a meal. So this is super good to have in your stockpile just in case you're going to need it for anything. And again, we don't know how long this is going to last. So that's everything that's a limit of 1. As far as the supplements, vitamin C is a limit of 1. As you guys saw, this one was a limit of 1. Everything else was fine and good to go. So we picked up the calcium and vitamin D3 twin packs. These were buy one, get one free this week. Then we picked up these right here. These were buy one, get one free. We also picked up the magnesium. That's another one of those. We picked up the magnesium. These are buy one, get one free. And then we picked up another one of these right here. Buy one, get one free. Okay. Everything else was pretty much regular price. I did pick up 2 of the big Tides in the back. So these were $11.94. I had one in my app that wasn't coming off, but I did use a $2 off coupon from the March P&G. So lucky I brought another one because the one in my app was not coming off. And then these were $4.94. I believe I had a $1 coupon in the app as well. There goes some fish oil. These were buy one, get one free. And make sure you're looking at expiration dates on everything. Some of the stuff is really pricey, but like I said, I had my extra bucks and I was ready to use them. I picked up 2 of these. These were buy one, get one free. Super pricey as well, but this is really good to have on hand. The trash bags, I think they were on sale. I'm going to check the receipt. So I was just basically picking up stuff. So I got the 80 count. Make sure you pick up the 80 count because there is a 40 count for the same price. You want to get more trash bags. And then I got the Benadryl. That was regular price. Tylenol was regular price. The Pedialyte was regular price. And I think that's about it on the table. So for everything, I feel like I did super well. Yes, again, I spent like 50-something dollars, but it's $300 worth of merchandise. So let's look at the receipts really quickly. And I'm just going to skim through the receipts really quickly. Okay, so we have the Gain for $4.94. What is this? Oh, these are the vitamins. Buy one, get one free. So they're $7.29. One of them was free. One of them was $7.29. The magnesium came out to be free. And then we had the Lysol. She had to price modify, but it says $4.86. So I don't know how much the original price was on that Lysol. Probably was about like $7. I have no idea. There goes the Emergency for $10.34. There goes, this is the toilet paper. Okay, so I think this was the single roll for $1.39. And then this is the 1 pack for $2.49 of the paper towels. This one was the 4 roll of toilet paper for $3.79. And then this was the 2 pack of paper towels for $4.99. Again, really pricey, but I had my extra bucks to cover me. Okay, then we have our Benadryl for $7.79. I bought a bliss stick. She already took it. It was $3.19. And then this was the green thing. Okay, so this is the supplement thing here. Right? That was pretty pricey. It was $20.79. The alcohol was $2.59. The gloves were $21.79. But it comes with 120 disposable gloves. So I was pretty good about that. And then these are, oh, these are the Pedialytes, or the Pedialytes. They were $8.29 each. And then there goes the Tylenols for $8.29 each. There goes everything. I just rolled a whole bunch of extra bucks on this. And I don't know what happened here. Oh, the 20% Care Pass. So 20% came off of some of the stuff that is included in Care Pass. So that was $1.45 that came off. My total was $39.24. With tax, it was $42.09. And I saved $117.96 with the first transaction. Now let's roll into the second transaction. Okay. So for the second transaction, there goes the Tides. They were on sale for $11.94. And those are part of the spend 30, get $10 cash card as well. There goes the Suavitel. They were on sale for $1.99. And I had a $2 off 2 CRT. So I tried to incorporate couponing into this. But yeah, I just wanted to get rid of my extra bucks. Okay, so and then we have here... Oh, this is the powder mix. I think buy one, get one free. So that's going to be this one right here. The Nature's Bounty. They were buy one, get one free. So the one that was free was $19.49. And the other one was $27.79. There goes the fish oil for $25.49. One of them was free. There goes the calcium for $18.49. One of them was free. And there goes the hefty trash bags for $9.69. Now you can pick up the CVS brand, but they didn't have any on hand. Here goes the coupon. So again, I used another $2 off coupon for the Tide. And I didn't feel bad about it because the one in my app wasn't working and I honestly was not going to call customer service. So she allowed me to use 2 of those. I had the $2 off too for the Suavitel CRT. There goes my $10 Care Pass. and then all the extra bucks I rolled into this. My total was $901. I had a tax of $265, making my total $1166. And I saved $183.57. So that's everything I used my extra bucks on. If you guys got to get more food items, I saw that they were pretty stocked on food items. Hit the freezer section to see what they have. They had a lot of cereal as well. A lot of drinking stuff too, except water. And water is a limit of 1. Baby wipes is a limit of 1. I believe the Pampers are a limit of 1 as well. So there's a lot of things that are a limit of 1. So that's what you're going to see in the next days if you go to CVS. But again, I'm done with CVS for now. I'm done with Walgreens for now until further notice. Hopefully this passes and we're back to normal soon. But we just have to pray and pray that everything works out well for all of us. And I want you guys to stay safe. This is not my last video. I will be recording in the house, like activities that I'm doing with the kids or cooking. Make sure you check out my banana oatmeal pancakes. I did do a video on that. The video didn't do so well because it is kind of new content, but I want to stay connected with you guys. So hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you have an idea on what to use your extra bucks on, and make sure you do the cash card deal, because the gift cards from CVS don't expire. So I have $20 as a jump start when I start couponing again at CVS. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.